Okay, I'm going to give you some more back-end story about Donovan, and I'm going to go as fast as I possibly can so that you can make sense of all of this. This is one of the earliest pictures I have of Donovan. He was about 6 to 8 days old in this photograph. This is another photograph of Donovan. He was about 10 days old, and I'm going to talk to you about this woman right here that's holding him. Her name is Alice Florum. I'm adopted. And that woman in the background was Alice Florum, my mother, who adopted me. She adopted me from a woman by the name of Helen that she adopted from Casper, Wyoming orphanage when they lived in Casper, Wyoming. So Alice and Bill, my mom and dad that raised me, adopted my mom, Helen, from an orphanage. When Helen got pregnant after she was about 17 years old, Alice gave her Valium and forced Helen to sign over adoption papers of me while I was still in her womb. And I was formally adopted when I was 6 months in the womb. Fast forward, I'm pregnant with Donovan. I live in Alice's house. My dad, who raised me, Bill, he had died when I was 13. And so Alice tried to get me to sign over to her the custody of Donovan while I was still pregnant with him, and I refused. And so when he was born in April, on April 24th of 1977. By the time he was about 6 days old, she kicked me out of the house, and she wouldn't let me see Donovan. So then what happened was I was truant from school, and so the truant officers came and got me and put me in the girls' school. And so that's where I was. Subsequently, what happened was Alice got in a car to go to the family in Nebraska, because that's where Bill's family was from, and she put Donovan in the car, and back in those days they didn't have car seats like they do today. Subsequently, she was driving through Wyoming all the way through up through Ogallala, Nebraska, and a big semi hit her in the car. She had a 1950-something Buick, and it went off a bridge. And when the car went off the bridge, she threw herself over Donovan's body and saved his life. And he ended up in a foster care home, and she ended up in a hospital in a coma for a very long time. Well, this all happened while I was in the girls' school, and when I found out about it, they locked me up and they wouldn't let me go see my son. And this went on for a very, very long time.